It's a nice, what is that, purple? Maybe that's feeling a little weird, losing lots of fucking sticking. But yo, I just put a new sleeve in it. I don't know what the hell's going on, man. The pressure comes back though sometimes. So I don't know. Race car shit. I don't know what's going on. Check it out after. But today we're gonna be driving to Cars and Coffee, a little event hosted by Haggerty. Go check those cars out. Hopefully some nice cars that can get you guys some nice content, and a little tiny cruise that's going to the place that's hosting. So alright guys, I'll see you guys at the meetup spot. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the clutch. Pedal like goes all the way and then it doesn't want to come back up, but it came back up this time, so it's like an intermittent problem. I did put a brand new sleeve in it like not too long ago, and I don't know, I have to check that out. It's always something with the race car, bro. It could be. It's definitely, I did change the sleeve to a brand new one, so I don't know. And it's really weird because I did this new sleeve and the pedal, it started coming back up randomly. I don't know what the hell's going on, but I can't wait to figure it out. banging gears, it can't bang. Okay guys, so got my car, my boy Z, Q50, 2 bikes, G35, supercharged, Fox body, max effort, MR2. So we're gonna be rolling out now soon and go to the meet. And yeah, I hope see you guys in the clip. I'll get you guys some POV of me driving right now. Okay. Yo, this is sick. Look at this. This is not. She's in a 1960 haircut too. She's living. This is like a portal. A time machine. Time machine, yo. That's sick. That's a nice color. Yeah, carbon roof. I think this is San Marino blue. Yeah. It's the one Nate came with this car. Oh. Is that Nismo's, bro? That's definitely Nismo's inspired. Lineup. That's so sexy. Mark 4. Yo, the wheels look sick. Oh, baby, that's so good. Nice purple. That's a crazy purple. Super packed. This is the one I was telling you about. It's worth like $1 million, over $1 million. Bro, we get the auto. First time seeing him in there, guys. Real in the sun. Yeah. I don't know. The interior. Sick. Carbon wheel. Oh, triple? Look at the exhaust.
Yeah, doesn't the logo almost look like a light? Like a third brake light?
It is, I think. Third brake light?
Third brake light, right?
No way.
Storage unit. GT500. Yeah. Side by side. Got the older one. I got the new one. Okay.